My SL has been giving me some starting issues, a bit of a rough start, and I believe it's due to the fact that the distributor cap is worn and old, and the rotors as well. I also am going to replace the ignition coil, so I ordered up those parts from FCP. They came in and install those parts, and hopefully it'll fix my issue. I also have a set of new spark plug wires, but I'm going to inspect these. If they need to be changed, I'll replace them. It's a bit of a timely job. If the other parts that I replace will solve my issue, then I'm going to leave them be until they need to be replaced. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So I took off the air box and the air ducts. Pretty simple, you guys have seen that before. Here's the new distributor caps. There's two, one on each side because it's a V8, and I got some Bremmy rotors. Those tips usually get burnt and corroded and moisture gets in there, so it'll run like crap. Spark plug wires, like I said, they were replaced. They're Bremmy, so they're not that old, and the condition of them seems to be nice. No cracking on the rubber like my 300 CE, so I'm going to leave them be because routing these is a pain in the ass. You probably have to remove this bracket and then feed them nicely through there, and they're really nicely seated right now, so I don't want to have to do that if I don't have to. But we'll see how that turns out. Eventually I'll have to change these hard dry rotted vacuum hoses. There's quite a bit of them. These are actually pretty soft still. I think this is I believe this is supposed to be a hard line. Not 100% sure. If you guys know, comment down below, but unless it dried out already. But so yeah, let's get to work. Go ahead and remove these Allen bolts, and these are, I believe that's a 5. And there's one more over here. Always excited to see how these look. These are pretty grooved and worn. Oh yeah, the rotor is toast. Wonder I'm not getting any spark. Show you guys, this thing is gone. That's nuts. Never seen it that bad. Okay, so yeah, this was non-existent, which is crazy. I mean, let me show you guys a good rotor. That's nuts. Look at that. Okay, that's done. Click. Click. So we can go ahead and put on our cover. Like so. And that's done. Okay, so we got a 10 here and 8 here. Take the 8 off. Battery's disconnected. Don't lose your washers. Alright, everything's back together on the front. Go ahead and put our covers back on. First things first, you want to slide this guy in here. Kind of go underneath there. Goes there, this will go here. Oh, you guys saw me make my mistake there. Forgot to put the main covers on. Obviously gotta put those covers back on. Come on now, Mark. What are you doing? Took them off to inspect. All is good. Now don't over tighten these. That's that. Now we can put our color back on. Go ahead and fire this beast up. Fired right up. Try it again. Yeah. Fires up nicely. Our car is starting much better. There's a bit of a squeal because it's cold outside, and I believe the belt needs to be tightened a little bit. All that was replaced, so I'll just look into that. But that wraps it up for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.